Hi, welcome to another video from MS Office Guru. We hope you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Name Manager. Under the Formulas tab, in the Defined Names tab, we can see Name Manager. We can add, edit, or delete names of cells or groups of cells here. Let us add H3 to a name. We can do it in two methods. One is by editing it in the name box. Second is by going into the name manager. Let us do both. The first method is to go to the name box after clicking the cell and hitting enter. When we go away and come back again, we can see in the name box the name of the cell is written. This shows that our edit has worked. Next, let us do the same for the tax rate. Clicking on the cell and going into the name manager and clicking on new will show us a default name from the cell right next to it. And you can see the reference at the bottom as well. We can change this name as we like. One important thing that we have to notice is that the name should not contain any spaces. Now, as you can see in the name box, it shows the name that we defined it. When we click on Name Manager, it will show all the names that are defined. Now, when we are using it in a formula, we can directly type equals C2 times the discount rate. In this case, when we click on H3, you can see it is showing discount instead of H3. We don't have to make it absolute reference while we are dragging the autofill down. It will automatically change it in every cell. Similarly, for the tax rate, we can click on total times the tax rate. We can directly drag it without making the cell absolute because it's a defined name already. In the name manager, we can add, delete, or edit existing names. We can also define names for a whole range. By selecting the range, clicking on Name Manager will give us a window to assign a name. Once we assign the name, let's find the sum of this range. Equals sum, and when we select the whole range, it changes the range to the name that we have defined it with. That was Name Manager. To become an Excel expert in a few hours, check out the playlists on our channel. If you have liked the video, click like button below. Thank you for watching the video till the end.